Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're here with the 2140. I've been drawing a load of timber, as you've seen, if you've seen one of my previous videos, I was cutting down trees. And I've went ahead and we've done a load of work since then. I've been a bit busy. That's why I haven't been really throwing out the videos. I got a couple of days ago, it's actually the Monday of last. So we've got I've gotten out my Stratton Top farm. Hope you enjoyed that. I don't know when I'm going to have this setter video out. I'm probably going to have it out, but after this is before this is out. But yeah, she fits pretty well with the trailer, believe it or not. Using the pickup hitch. I found out that the linkage, so in the cab there, see that lever, that one there, and it just swings back and forth. That's for your hitch, and it's supposed to open your two forks either side, your two latches that actually hold your pickup hitch in place. That is broken, snapped, clean, gone off. So you have to actually open it by hand. But by right, I would like to actually get that fixed again. It'd be a bit awkward, but I might be able to do something with it. But then also I have to take this is a spring here, and that's supposed to counterbalance it so that it locks it again. That came off, and I put that back on because the latches were running free. And I remember with the roller, it fell on the ground. But luckily enough, it's going okay now. Pin hitch on the trailer. We haven't done much up to this update. We haven't done a whole lot with it. We've done a bit more work with it. It's still earning its keep. Really good trailer. Oh, it's great having a trailer that you can properly use for any tractor use. So yeah, it's seen plenty of use here. Haven't done nothing with it since. To be honest, there's a little robin. See him? Hello, Mr. Robin. Good fella. It's always nice to see a bit of nature around here. Yeah, the Vicon, there's not a lot wrong with it, as I seen. If you see me getting this, I got this off a neighbour for nothing. They just started in the ditch. It's going to go for scrap, but I said no, I'd take it off them. Dad went ahead and greased it up, so it'll keep everything in order. We all have to do is weld a bit of the frame. There's a crack that side, just on the frame here. But we're going to just go ahead and put a new PTO shaft, or we have a fitting PTO shaft for it. And once we have it welded, we'll see if everything works. And we might just throw, for the crack, a bit of fertilizer in the chute, in the hopper. And probably get about a half ton of fertilizer in it. It's good strong. It's amazing how it hasn't rotted out. They kept it well in that sense. You know, they used every bit of the fertilizer, never left fertilizer in it. Otherwise, it would have gone to rotted to shite. But yeah, it's a lovely piece of kit, and hopefully we'll get around to it. I'm not really pushed to do anything with it, to be honest, but we'll get around to maybe try and find a PTO shaft suitable for it. I might have to get one made up because it has to be a certain size. It depends what tractor I'm going to be putting on it as well. I might be putting it on the Major or one of the other tractors. This is our old loader. This was on our Nutfield tractor. We took it off. It's a good straight loader. There's a trip on it. It's pity why it got bent. The trip and all that I don't think doesn't really work. I do intend to put this on the Leyland, believe it or not. We have a Leyland 272. The reason why I have never featured the Leyland 272 in any of the videos, it does start, but I might even put up the video of it running, and you'll see that how it's not in great condition. So, I'd just like to correct myself there. As you can see, she's missing all our panels. We actually do have the bonnet and the grille and all that sort of stuff. it is a very, very straight tractor. It's just the fact that the clutch and brake are hydraulics, run on hydraulics, and the fact that all the braking system is missing. So that will all have to be replaced. But mechanically, she's very good. All the PTO, pick and pitch, power steering, all that works. But the engine is really as sweet as a nut, as you can hear. It's really just a matter of cosmetics, and then the brakes and clutch, and then she will be a very nice tractor. So yeah. We need to get a few things first. The clutch and brakes don't work on it, so you can't get in gear or out of gear. But everything else is fine. It needs all the braking system. There's so much things missing off it that we can't really drive it. So, but the engine is as sweet as a nut anyway, and everything else is there. But we might fit this loader on because the loader brackets are the same. Quickie 2000, and yeah, we have a lovely bucket anyway. Hello guys, welcome. Enjoyed them few bits of clips of me doing the work with the major. I've just after cutting, I have to cut the grass and stuff, but it's just where the tractor is parked. Move the tractor out of the way and bring her back in when she is when it's cut. So yeah, we're just going to start up the major here. The keys should be in it. Here's the horses. They're just grazing the grass down. Do not break the fence. Stop it. What are they like? There's a lovely foal there. Then there's those two other fellows we have. Then there's the mother horse over there. But yeah, we're just going to move this Jessie off the field. I'm just after watching modelfarmer6710's video. He actually dedicated a video to me, so thank you for that. Sounds a bell. It really has helped the channel grow. He's a massive channel. He's over 600 subscribers, so it's really big. And he's been watching the videos, my videos and stuff, and it's great that he did give me a bit of a shout out, because any lift is great. I give shout outs to other channels to help them along. It's just a nice thing. It's not a race, but it's nice to get to. It'd be nice to get to 100. We're at 92, I think. So I got another 5 subscribers, so I'm not doing too bad. And the bigger I get, the more encouragement it gives me to do my videos. Because let's be honest, I've been doing YouTube for about 3 years now, and it'd be nice to get to 100. It's really been this year where I've really started actually, really enjoying it and putting out videos nearly every other day, and getting at least once a week I have a video. So in the last couple of weeks I've been like throwing them out, so in a good way. Right, ignition's on. So actually just turn off the ignition for a second. Yeah, so thanks modelfarmer6710, really appreciate it. Thank you. I'm going to actually give you now a bit of a burn some coal with the major. I'm probably going to send these horses mad, but we'll start up nice and easy, and hopefully it won't be too bad. So let's start her up. They are gone. Alright, yeah. So this is for you, modelfarmer6710. Thanks so much. I'm just gonna have to lift the loader first. And then I'll just turn the tap, and now I'll lift up my back. Now stick in reverse. Reverse is there. Reverse her back in where she was. gearbox. And switch the tap over. Let down my loader. Now, just going to close the gate. Keep the lads out. Whoa. So that is the major, lads. We've turned off the ignition, put up the seat. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, no, it was just one of those videos where I didn't really know where it was going to end up. It was had a bit of footage, so I hope you enjoy. There's going to be more videos, not a mix and matching of just clips, but just you know, either restorations, either some of my model farm or the real life driving tractors, doing bits and pieces with the major or the 2140 John Deere. There's a bit of update coming up in that as well, and we'll do a bit with the Leyland as well. So yeah, a lot to see and do. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon, and thanks again, modelfarmer6710. Really appreciate it. Means a lot. All right, good luck.